So, for this code, this is a leap year checker by Python. So, dito yung variable name natin, dineclare natin yung input ni user as year. Gumamit tayo dito ng int para i-convert ni program yung i-input ni user into integer. So, dito kapag nag-input si user ng year, i-check, papasok yan dito sa if-else statement ng Python. If nakalagay dito, if year is divisible by 4 equals to 100, chine-check lang dito kung divisible by 4 yung year na in-input ni user. And so dito, if year is divisible by 4 is equals to 0, and year is not divisible by 100. So dito naman, ini-ensure lang yung year is not equal to 100. Yung dito naman, gumamit tayo ng or uh, para malaman kung yung year ba is divisible by 400. So kapag halimbawa dito sa enter year 2005, not a leap year siya kasi kung susubukan natin i-calculate, hindi siya whole number. So 2005 is divided by 4. Ayan, may point siya, so hindi siya leap year. Pero nung nag-enter tayo ng 2024 divided by 4, whole number yung lumabas. That's why lumabas na leap year yung 2024.